Welcome to our channel. If you need to dispute a charge on your Chase credit card or bank account due to fraud or billing errors, follow these quick steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Log into your Chase account through the Chase mobile app or website. Step 2. Navigate to the account where the disputed charge appears. Step 3. Locate the transaction you want to dispute and click on it to view details. Step 4. Look for an option labeled Dispute Transaction, Report a Problem, or similar wording. Step 5. Click on the Dispute option and follow the on-screen prompts to explain the reason for the dispute. Step 6. Provide all relevant details, including why you believe the charge is incorrect or unauthorized. Step 7. Upload any supporting documentation, such as receipts or correspondence with the merchant if available. Step 8. Submit the dispute and wait for a confirmation email from Chase acknowledging your claim. Step 9. Chase will investigate the dispute, which can take up to 90 days depending on the complexity of the case. Step 10. Monitor your account and email for updates on the dispute status and resolution. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.